In this video, we will perform face detection using Python. Face detection simply means identify human face in digital image. We can perform face detection in digital images or real-time face detection or recognition. In this video, we will try to detect human face from digital images. So first we will install the OpenCV library using this. So write this in the terminal and install OpenCV library. OpenCV comes with various computer vision applications. It comes with pre-trained models for face detection, so there is no need to implement any algorithm, as this library has more than 2000 algorithms that allow us to perform object detection, face recognition and other. So first we will install this library. So once the OpenCV library is installed, we will import the OpenCV package. Here import CV2. Next we will access the digital image from the device. So here we are going to read the image here. So here you can see this image is inside this folder. So now we will read this image from this specific folder, imread, that is image read, and here you can see the path. So here we will enter the image path where this image is located. Next we can display the digital image using imshow, that is image show. This is used to display the digital image, and here you can see the variable img. This store the imread image and we can display this image. Run the code and we have the output. This is the input image. Now as we want to perform face detection on this digital image, next you can see here, now we will apply the HAR cascade. Here we will use this HAR cascade file. Here you can see we are using this for the frontal faces. You can download this file, then we locate this file in the same folder. We will write the code so that we can easily access it. HAR cascade is trained on large face dataset, so there is no training required. So we can simply apply this. Just download the file, then keep it in the same folder, load the file. Next we will perform face detection. So here, as we are using this cascade for frontal face detection, you can also use for different facial feature detection like eyes, nose, mouth, but right now simply we are using just the face detection. Just download the HAR cascade files as per requirement, like for eyes, nose, whatever feature you want to detect. So here we have just for the frontal face. Now we will apply HAR cascade model on the digital image, that is our input image. Here you can see face cascade, and here we are applying this face cascade for face detection. Here detect multiscale means detect objects of different sizes in the input image and return rectangle positioned on the face. Here this is the image, and on this image we are performing the face detection. Here you can see we have three parameters: image 1.14, image, that is the input image. Second parameter, this is scale factor, like how much size will be reduced. So now we will perform face detection on the digital image. So here you can see HAR cascade is applied on the digital image, so it will create a rectangle on the detected face. In this step the model will detect the face and we will draw the rectangle. Now how we can draw the rectangle? In the next step we will draw rectangle on the face. Here you can see faces, that is this one. So on the detected face we will draw rectangle. Here you can see XY axis and their height, width. So this is the input image. X, that is horizontal axis, Y, that is vertical axis, W, that is width, H, that is height. Here you can see 25500, this is the RGB color value that is used for the rectangle. 2, that is the rectangle thickness. So using this we will draw the rectangle. Now we will display the output using imshow result, and here we will display the image. here you can see this is the output image, and here the face is detected. Here you can see the color, that is blue, thickness, that is 2. So this is a simple process. So first we will install the OpenCV library, then we will import this package. Next we will read the input image from the device. Next we will apply the HAR cascade, that is trained on large face dataset. So here no training is required. After that we will apply this cascade on the digital image. Then as this model will detect the face, so we will show the detected face using a rectangle. Next, display the output. So that's all about this video. If you have any questions, you can comment below, and thanks for watching this video.